So my biggest pet peeve about this KLX300 is this dang piece, for whatever reason, rattles. Especially when you're moving, it rattles the whole time. So I'm gonna take these, I think it's whopping 3 bolts, I think they're probably 8mm. Pull these out and see what I can do. I'm going to attempt to do this just with the onboard toolkit and see if we can fix this issue. So out of the supplied toolkit, you can use your screwdriver and then your little socket set, and you slide the screwdriver through the handle to get leverage. And once you take all 3 of these out, it goes short one, long one, short one. It just literally falls right off. So I'm gonna see if we can just kind of bend this out a little bit. I tried bending it, didn't really help, so I put a piece of 3M double stick tape and see if that works. It will space it just a tiny bit, but I'd rather that than have a rattle. Look at this already. I don't think this will be an issue anymore. I'm gonna put my bolts back in and take it for a test drive. Not gonna lie, usually those toolkits are useless, but in this case I did almost the whole repair minus the double stick with that kit. As you can see with the bolts in, solid. No issue now. Let's test drive it. Yeah, no issue now. No rattling or anything. That's awesome.